how to switch TikTok account from private to public. So if you want to switch your TikTok account, then first of all you need to open up your TikTok application, and then you can go for your profile, which is on the bottom right. And after going to your profile, now here on the upper right corner, which has that three bar icon, you can go for that and then go for settings and privacy. So here under the settings and privacy, you will have privacy option. Go for privacy, and here you will have private account. So if you want to switch your account from a private account to a public account, then you have to simply turn that off. You have to turn off your private account. So if you want to switch to a public account, then anyone will be able to follow you and view your public post, and anyone can do it with your videos. 8 of your videos allow do it, while one doesn't allow do it. So it says the information of your account. So this line is saying the information of my account, and anyone can stitch with your videos and anyone can download your videos. So if you want all of this to happen, if you want to switch, then you can simply tap on switch, and your account will be transferred from your private account to a public account. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.